In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix stuck at 60 FPS in all games. So the first thing you want to do is go to NVIDIA. Now here, go to graphics and find the game that you're having the issue with. So once you find the game, you'll go here and select performance instead of quality. Just scroll it to performance. Go to drivers, then download the latest version for the drivers for your graphics cards. So once you do this, you can close this down. If you don't have NVIDIA, by the way, you can go to device manager and do the same thing here. Under display adapters, update driver for your graphics cards. So once you do this, right click, go to display, select your display. Make sure you select the scale for the recommended. Resolution, recommended. Advanced display. And then here you'll have the hertz option, so you can try to select the most default option for the refresh rate, and if it works, then you can just keep it at that. But if you're having issue with the default option, just change it to whatever like other options and try to like switch between these options until you find the best ones that suits you. And once you do this, should hopefully fix your issue. Now there's also another thing you can do, that's going to settings, then going to graphics, and then just making sure that the hardware accelerated GPU is turned on. And once you do this, this should help you with your FPS.